To pay your Guitar Center credit card, follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have your credit card information and payment details ready. You can pay your Guitar Center credit card online, by phone, or by mail. To pay online, visit the website of the bank that issues your Guitar Center credit card, which is usually Synchrony Bank. Click on the Make a Payment option and log in to your account using your username and password. If you do not have an online account, you can register for one by providing your credit card information and other required details. Once you are logged in, you can pay your bill using your checking account, savings account, or debit card. Enter the payment amount and the payment date, and confirm the payment details. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that your payments are made on time every month. To pay by phone, call the customer service number on the back of your credit card. Follow the automated prompts to make a payment using your checking account, savings account, or debit card. You can also speak to a customer service representative to make a payment. To pay by mail, send a check or money order to the address listed on your credit card statement. Make sure to include your credit card account number on the check or money order to ensure that the payment is credited to your account correctly. It is important to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can also check your credit card balance and payment due date online or by calling the customer service number. By following these steps, you can easily pay your Guitar Center credit card and stay on top of your payments.